Hello students, today we are going to see 12th standard business maths chapter 2 integral calculus 1. Let us see some example sums in exercise 2.3. First sum, integral of e power x log a plus e power of a log a minus e power n log x into dx. Let us use one formula, m log n is equal to log n power m, and another formula e power log x is equal to x. We have to use these two formulas in this sum. Now we have to use this sum, integral of e power log a power x plus e power log a power a minus e power log x power n into dx. Now we use this second formula for this term, integral of a, instead of x you have to take a power x. So a power x plus a power a minus x power n into dx. Using integration formula, integral of a power x into dx is equal to a power x divided by log a. Using this formula, we have to integrate this one. Instead of a power x, you have to take this a power x divided by log a. This is the constant term, a power a is constant term. So, you have to integrate that one, means a power a into x and x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is the answer. Let us see the next sum, integral of e power 3x minus e power minus 3x divided by e power x into dx. We have to split into two terms, that is equal to integral of e power 3x divided by e power x minus e power minus 3x divided by e power x into dx. Now we have to, the power will be goes into the subtractor. So integral of e power 3x minus x and minus e power minus 3x minus x into dx. So that is equal to integral of e power 2x minus e power minus 4x into dx. Now we integrate this one, e power x, integrate e power x is equal to e power x. So e power 2x means you have to integrate e power 2x divided by 2 minus e power minus 4x divided by minus 4 plus c. Here minus of minus plus, so the answer is e power 2x divided by 2 plus e power minus 4x divided by 4 plus c. Let us see some sums in exercise 2.4. Integral of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x plus 4 secant squared x minus 5 cosecant squared x into dx. We have to split into separate terms, that is equal to integral of 2 cos x into dx and minus this 2 will be comes outside. So 2 into integral of cos x into dx minus 3 into sin x dx plus 4 into integral of secant squared x dx minus 5 into integral of cosecant squared x dx. Now we have to integrate 2 into cos x integral formula sin x. So 2 into sin x minus 3 into sin x integral minus cos x. So minus cos x plus 4 into integral of secant squared x tan x. So 4 tan x minus 5 into cosecant squared x dx minus cot x. So minus cot x plus c. So that is equal to 2 sin x minus of minus plus 3 cos x plus 4 tan x minus of minus plus 5 cot x plus c. Let us see the next sum. integral of cos 2x plus 2 sin squared x divided by cos squared x into dx. Let us take, instead of cos 2x, we have to take, that is equal to integral of cos 2x formula cos squared x minus sin squared x plus 2 sin squared x divided by cos squared x into dx. So that is equal to minus sin squared x plus 2 sin squared x. You have to subtract this 2. We will get cos squared x plus, here my plus 2 sin squared x. So plus 1. So plus sin squared x divided by cos squared x into dx. Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta value 1. So integral of 1 by cos squared x into dx. So that is equal to 1 by cos squared formula secant square. So integral of secant squared x into dx. So that is equal to integral of secant squared x formula tan x. So tan x plus c. This is the answer. Thank you students. Thank you for listening.